Okay, so let's install Eclipse. Click on this download. Okay, now the thing is, when it comes to Eclipse installer, now they have changed it. Basically, when you download that installer, basically it gives you multiple options. So for which purpose you are installing Eclipse? Are you installing for Java development, where you don't have the enterprise support, right? For enterprise support, that means you have Servlet, JSPs, Spring Framework, all those stuff. And then for C, C++ developer, for embedded developers, and then you have list of options here. We want to go for Java developers because we are starting with core Java. Of course, once we move towards enterprise part, we need to download this. But just to keep it simple, let's go for Java developer. And you can see it is also picking up the version, the JDK version, right? Now I can choose between the versions which I have in my machine. I got Java 17. I don't know from where I got 18, but I got 20 as well. So whatever version you have, it will pick up, or I think it also downloads them if I'm not wrong. Let's see how it works. Click on, I don't want any shortcuts anywhere, or maybe let's have a desktop shortcut and click on install. So it is installing. Okay, so it says installation complete. Click on launch. It will open the Eclipse. In fact, I love to work on Eclipse. It's very comfortable. The only thing is it is not providing the same tools which you have in IntelliJ, but it has a different experience altogether. So click on launch and it will open Eclipse. And as I mentioned, preferring a particular IDE is also depend upon what you like, what is your liking. So Eclipse looks cool, right? It's very clean compared to IntelliJ. And most probably we are going to use Eclipse in the course. So basically you can see we have the left-hand side where we have project. This is where you have your code. And let me increase the font size. Let's run this. Let's see if that works. Right click, run as Java application, and boom, you can see instead of hello world, it says hi. That's their preference. But yeah, so we got this setup done for JDK, for Eclipse, VS Code, and IntelliJ IDEA, and it depends upon you which IDE you want to prefer. I would say to start with, we are going to start with Eclipse. So make sure that you get your installation done before we start with the Java code.